Hi, I'm John Ferraro, VP of Corporate Accounts and Business Development from AFCO Food and Beverage. And we're here at the IPPE 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm here with Eric Mittenthal, Chief Strategy Officer with the North American Meat Institute. And we're going to talk a little bit about the industry and what NAMI's been up to and what AFCO's been up to. So I'll start it out. Eric, thanks for joining us again. We haven't done this in a couple of years for obvious reasons, but it's good to get back together. And I wanted to ask you, what has the NAMI organization been up to and for the last couple of years? And I know we're going to talk about the Protein Pact as well.
Yeah, it's been a busy couple of years for us. We have really been building out the Protein Pact work has been a major focus of ours. But obviously COVID has been a huge piece of what we've done too, in making sure that our workers are well protected and our plants are up and running and feeding Americans, and I think we've been very successful at that. And the Protein Pact work really builds on everything we've been working on to earn greater consumer trust and show continuous improvement in the industry.
Yeah, I could second that as well. It's been a very exciting but also challenging last couple of years in a lot of ways. But we're busier than ever over at AFCO and Zep, and we're a committed member to the NAMI organization, long-standing member, and want to be more involved. And part of that is being involved with the Protein Pact. So I'm going to have Eric kind of go through what the Protein Pact is all about, how it came about, and what the future looks like for the Protein Pact.
So the Protein Pact is the industry's commitment to continuous improvement with the end consumer in mind. Historically, we have been a traditional trade association, and we are really shifting ourselves to being less member-driven and member-focused and more consumer-focused. And so we have, over the last couple of years, developed a framework of continuous improvement metrics across 5 key focus areas of animal welfare, environmental impact, food safety, human health and wellness, and labor and human rights. And we have metrics across all of those areas that are meant for our members to report on and show us how they are committing, tracking, and delivering towards continuous improvement objectives between now and 2030. We have specific targets that are a part of that as well. And the goal really is to not only align with what consumer expectations are, but also meet the expectations of our customer base in retail and food service, who are asking for all types of these types of metrics, and being able to report that and strengthen our member businesses as a result.
Sure, it's fantastic. Yeah, it's a fantastic program. We rolled it out in the fall of 2021, and it's gaining steam already into the new year. And there's a number of ways where no problem. We love the fans. There's a number of ways. AFCO and all members of the North American Meat Institute can contribute to the Protein Pact. And our stewardship and sustainability programs at Zep and AFCO are right aligned with the Protein Pact. In all the things we do as a chemical manufacturer and food safety organization. All of our food safety programs are in alignment, trying to be better every day, help our customers and prospects do the right things and follow the right procedures, and we make sure we work with them on training and the safety part of using sanitation products and chemicals every day. Along the same lines, when our food safety experts go into our customers and prospects, we conduct a safety scan, which makes sure that all the PPE is properly used. We document it, we put it on our service reports, and make sure that we can make some improvements on a continuous basis as well. So management leadership knows that, hey, maybe we need more shields or we need more smocks, something along those lines, and we document that and work with our customers. And, lastly, I think, we all need to be better at this is, making sure that part of the Protein Pact is the respect and inclusiveness and of all employees, partners, customers, workers that we come in contact with every day. And that's part of our stewardship program at AFCO as well. So I'll give it back to Eric. Is there anything else new on the horizon with NAMI?
Yeah, I think the added part of Protein Pact that is unique to the industry is a communications element that we're really going to be focused on. That is actually just launching. Would encourage folks to like us on Facebook and Instagram at the Protein Pact, and we have a website, theproteinpact.org. But it really is going to be focused on telling the story of continuous improvement for animal protein as a whole, for the Meat Institute, but then also across the supply chain in the individual protein sectors, beef, pork, poultry, dairy, feed as well, and making sure that we are sharing the progress that we're making in a way that is interesting and valuable to a consumer audience, and ultimately growing trust through that. And so that is really just getting underway. It's something that is going to be a big focus of ours moving forward, and everything we do feeds into that story.
Well, if I could take 2 seconds and let everybody know, including NAMI, about what's going on at AFCO, what's new and exciting. We have a couple things. Our EcoClear division is growing very quickly, and EcoClear is our service that comes in and takes care of overheads, cooling units, refrigeration units. We come in, we do some maintenance on the units, we clean, we sanitize, we disinfect, but we also leave a green screen nanotechnology coating on the coils in these units so they can get back to their the efficiency that the plant deserves, and at or near factory specs. So that's one of our exciting programs that we can offer, and we come in and do the work for you, and work with your maintenance and sanitation teams on scheduling that service. Also, Circle the Site. Circle the Site is nothing really new, but we're focusing on the MRO, the engineering and maintenance side of these plants, which can harbor microorganisms that go back and forth from the maintenance and operations areas into the plant, which is not good. So we focus on making sure they're doing the right things, and we offer the food grade lubricants, the different parts washer units, and Janssen and housekeeping products that are in the cafeteria, the office areas, and the non-production areas of all of our customers and prospects. And lastly, it's the sustainability and the focus on the environment. We're getting better every day on that, whether it's reducing our packaging, our water consumption, looking at our water consumption, and as we grow, making sure that we're cognizant of all those environmental factors more and more. So that's kind of what's been going on with AFCO.
So why don't I add?
So any parting words, Eric?
Yeah. Why don't I add one more thing to kind of add on to that point, is that for us as an association and helping our members succeed is going to depend very much on working with partners like AFCO and solution providers that are providing members solutions for continuous improvement. It is something that we're going to be really focused on, is what are the tools, the education, the content, whatever we can provide to our members to help them be successful at any within any of our focus areas. We want to have those partners and put them in front of our members and making sure that we are providing those solutions as a trade association, and connecting the solutions to our members and their needs. And so really love our community of suppliers, including AFCO, to participate in that, and it's a role that will only grow moving forward.
No, thank you for saying that, and I think it's a great partnership, and all the suppliers that are on the non-food side of NAMI are trying to make it a better place. And then there's always going to be competition, but it's the partnership and working with each other that is the most important thing. I would want to mention one more thing. We have a new manufacturing plant that just opened in Kingman, Arizona, and Kingman, Arizona will help us supply and support the Rocky Mountains and West Coast regions even more so than we're doing now. So that's becoming operational as we speak. We'll be manufacturing our top 50 to 100 products there, including PAA, and looking forward to seeing that grow and support the West Coast. So thank you to Eric and NAMI and to IPPE. Hope you guys all have a good show, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.